If you want to start trading but don't know where to begin, AI trading bots can help you trade automatically. In this video, I'll show you the best trading platforms with AI bots for beginners. First, Pionix. This is one of the easiest platforms to start with. It has built-in bots, so you don't need to set up anything complicated. For example, the grid trading bot automatically buys low and sells high. No coding, simple setup, and low fees. Perfect for beginners. Next, Tricomas. This platform connects to exchange like Binance and gives you more control. You can use smart trading tools or try copy trading, which means you can follow more experienced traders automatically. Another good option is CryptoHopper. It offers ready-made strategies and a marketplace where you can copy signals. So if you don't want to create your own strategy, you can simply use what already works. But before you start, keep this in mind. Start with small amounts, test everything first if possible, and remember, no bot guarantees profit. AI can help, but you still need to learn the basics. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.